Hello neighbors, Stephen here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look at our Erickson ATV series winch with a wire rope, roller Fairlead, and rated at 4,000 pounds. So folks, this is going to be a great ATV recovery winch. It's designed for recreation and standard duty work applications alike. Now I would say it'd be perfect for maybe like 300 cc's to 850 cc ATV, UTVs, ROVs, or your MOSUVs as well. Now it is recommended for UTVs with a max gross vehicle weight of 2,000 pounds. It does use a 1.3 horsepower permanent magnet motor, so that's going to deliver powerful but fast and safe line pulling. The motor is lighter and uses less current than a series wound motor. The whole unit here with the roll and the gearbox and everything, again I'm just guessing here, but I'd say at least 15-20 pounds, somewhere in there. So a nice little lightweight winch for those small ATV UTVs. Now this has been sealed to keep water out and prevent internal corrosion. And the sealed contactor is going to transmit power from your vehicle's battery to the winch motor. And this will mount on or near your UTV's battery box with the included hardware. And you have all the different color wiring that you need to wire that up. They even give you these end cap pieces here to protect the connection points. So that's a very nice touch here. They're rubber, that way no moisture and stuff can get on there too easily. Now the winch itself has a nice mechanical brake. It's going to hold 100% of the load while minimizing winch creep. It has an all steel 3-stage planetary gearbox, and that's going to provide increased drum speed compared to the 1 or 2-stage models out there on the market. And if you're not familiar with these, you can simply turn it here as far as engaged or the free spool option as far as pulling the line out whenever you have to go hook up. As you can see, it's all zip tied together. I just took it out of the box. So what you see here is what it's going to look like when it comes out of the box. Follow the simple instructions to put it together. You should have no problems. The mounting plate here, as far as some dimensions, center to center on the farthest holes is 4 3/4 inches. And center to center on the short holes is right at 3 inches. And I'm sorry, I take that back. Center to center on the long is 4 7/8. Now the winch itself, overall, I got 13 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 4 3/4 inches tall. Now keep in mind, that's the winch as it sits here. I didn't put on the Fairlead rollers and all that. That could potentially make it wider at those locations and whatnot. But I got that in my hand, so yeah, you got this guy here with the rollers. That's where the wire is going to come out. Your hook will hook up, and you've got a nice little nylon handle there for help pulling out and everything. The rope or wire itself is a 7/32 inch diameter zinc plated wire rope. It's super strong, abrasion resistant, and they give you an impressive 50 feet there of aircraft grade galvanized steel cable. Now the finish on everything is a nice clear finish, so again it should resist rust, corrosion, that kind of stuff. Now the mounting channel and hardware is included, like I mentioned, for mounting the Fairlead and the winch itself. Just note you may be required to create a custom solution to mount the winch and Fairlead to your UTV. Again, this is kind of a universal guy here, so if you have to make some design changes or make a special custom mount, just be prepared to do so. Now the tie bars here on the top and the extra thick side here on the frames are going to help create a strong, rigid winch body. And again, if you ever use these, they run on 12-volt power. Again, simple to wire up. You get the included wire and everything right to the battery. Again, rated at 2,000 pounds max capacity. Now it does have a recommended battery size of 650 cold cranking amps. And again, that's the recommended. That's going to give you the max power available. Well folks, that's going to wrap it up. Just a quick look at our Erickson ATV series winch. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.